China's 20 millionth new energy vehicle rolled off the production line on Monday in Guangzhou, capital of Guangdong province, creating a remarkable milestone for the country's NEV sector. The car was produced by GAC New Energy Automobile Company Limited, a NEV subsidiary of Guangzhou Automobile Group Company Limited based in Guangzhou. With this record, the NEV sector has entered a new stage of large-scale, globalized, and high-quality development, and is becoming an important part of China's modern industrial system, according to Fu Bingfeng, Executive Vice President and Secretary General of the China Association of Automobile Manufacturers.
2022年9月，中国新能源汽车生产累计突破了500万辆。2022年2月，这个数字突破了1000万辆。今天我们迎来第2000万辆的下线，第二个1000万辆仅用了1年0.5个月的时间。